Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the metallic materials for your iClone 8 3D animation software. Just for example, this is a piece of silver that I created. And this is a piece of gold, this is a piece of copper, and this is a piece of titanium. All of these are metallic materials. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to make the metallic materials in iClone 8. The first step, what you need to do is just go to my video descriptions. Go to my video description. I already published a link there, the Freedom Metallic Material Pack 01. Then you can just scroll down, get it for free. This is a material pack. Then you can just get it for free and download it into your computer. It will be a zip folder. You have to extract it into your computer. Then you will get all of this. You can see these are the common metals that usually we use in your daily life, like aluminium, brass, bronze, chrome, cobalt, copper, gold, iron, nickel, platinum, rust. This is the iron rust, the silver, steel, and titanium. Get all of this material pack. If you double click and open it, you can see all of these are the materials, the material texture. And then the next step, the second step is just scroll down, download this PNG. This is a IBL reference, what we call the image-based lighting. Download as a PNG and save it into your computer as a reference. Next, you can just open your iClone 8 3D animation software. Right, first I'm going to have a demo. You just observe step by step to learn how to create the metallic material. So first I'm going to just apply some props. There are some 3D blocks. I'm going to apply some 3D blocks at here. Right, now I just put 2. And then next, what I need to do is just go to the visual. We don't want this IBL because of this IBL is lack of the reflection reference. So I'm going to just click the visual here. If you can't see the visual, you can just go to the window workplace and choose all panel, then close the rest like this. Then the visual will be here. Then choose the visual. Just drag and drop the forest IBL, the reference, drag and drop into here. Then check your visual. The IBL already changed. Then actually it's this image, the IBL reference. Download the PNG, apply it at here. Next, you can just learn how to apply the material pack, the metallic material pack. First, I'm going to apply it on this cone. Double click to select it and go to the material. First, we are going to delete all of this. The delete button is at the bottom here. Click and delete it, just to clear everything, and make sure the shader type is PBR. Now you can see this is the one. I already deleted everything. Next, just open the Freedom Metallic Pack. I'm going to show you an example. For example, if I want to make a piece of gold, just double click the gold folder, then the base color, drag and drop into the base color, then the normal map, drag and drop into bump, then choose normal. Next is the metallic, drag and drop to the metallic map. Then the roughness, drag and drop into here. Now we have a check. Now you can see this is a piece of gold. If you want to make it more shiny, you can click the roughness, right click and adjust the color. The brightness, you can just make it different color like this. to adjust it until you feel satisfied. Right, see? Then you can just go to the visual again, the IBL. You can adjust the IBL strength. As reference, I'm going to just turn off all of the lights here. Go to the scene, turn off the lights, so that you can get a good reference back to the visual and turn it on. Then double click again, just go back to the roughness, right click, adjust the color. The brightness, if you drag it to this side, now you can see if if the roughness is a pure black, then it is a super reflective material. If this is the roughness, if you drag it to white color, then it is not reflective. This is the way. Then you can see this is a piece of gold. Next, let's say if I want to create a piece of silver or a piece of copper, do the same way. The base color, you can just delete it. Roughness, delete it. Bump, delete. Metallic, delete it. Just to reset everything and replace with Freedom's Metallic Pack 01. Let's say if I want the silver, so just replace the base color. Right, so replace the base color, then roughness, metallic, then adjust the roughness, right click, adjust the color. The brightness, just make it pure black like this. This is just for iClone. So this is a piece of silver. Alright, next I copy this. I press W, hold the control to copy another piece. I'm going to make this as copper. To make it a copper, it is easy. Just change the base color. Find the copper here. Drag and drop the base color to replace it. Now you can see it become copper. Just Ctrl Z, it is going to duplicate the same. Alright, I delete this. I better create a new one. Just start from beginning. If you don't delete it, you can direct replace it. The metallic, roughness, make the roughness to become completely black by adjust the brightness. Now you can see this is a piece of copper, and the bump you better delete it. We don't want this bump, and you can use my bump. It doesn't have any of the noise here. Just replace the bump. Then choose the normal, click OK. Now we have a look. This is a piece of copper, this is a piece of silver, and this is a piece of gold. This is the most effective way to create any metallic materials in iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create metallic materials in iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you